Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time for another This Week in Landscape Construction. Right now I have 6 jobs in construction that I designed, and I was able to get to 4 of them this week. It was kind of a crazy week, so let's just kind of go through some of the different parts of landscape construction as you'll see in this video with these 4 different spots. All right, number 1, first job site up in San Marcos. We are continuing that big paver patio. She actually continued this, decided to go all the way to the front yard. So now we have this lovely walkway coming off of the driveway, and we are building a really nice patio in the front with these Angelus pavers so that you can actually sit in the front yard and look out at the lake that they have up there at Lake San Marcos. And as you've seen in my other paver videos, so again, it's crushed base, then leveling sand, and then you have these interlocking pavers that fit together really nicely. The edge gets that nice concrete band that's set. The pavers are set in concrete to really hold it all together. So that's what's going on at this job site. All right, number 2, the pool continues. So the pool has been dug, the gunite done, the flagstone coping is done, and now they are finishing up the utilities. They connect everything up. They actually brought in a new pump and filter system because the old one was just inadequate for this new pool. And so once all the utilities are done, they get it inspected, and then the trench gets refilled. So that way the guys can get started on the brand new pool deck once everything is inspected and looking good. All right, number 3. So this is a new job we just started over in West Carmel Valley, and basically it's tearing it all out. We're ripping out the old barbecue. They just ripped out the old paver patio. Part of it was asphalt, part of it was pavers, and it was all a mess. So we're doing a brand new big paver patio, and it's going to look really great once it's finished. And finally, this one is a few weeks farther along. All the demo has been done, and now it's time to do the grading and drainage. And this is a really important part that a lot of people don't quite realize. It's really important to have a nice patio. You have to put in some nice drains if you don't have positive drainage. This backyard has a little slope that goes toward the house, so it's important to install all these drain lines to divert water around the patio and around the house, down the side and out to the street per city code. And so all of this drain work had to be done before they start doing the new paver patio for this little granny flat that was done by the client. So that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.